Hi everyone and welcome back to 5 Minute Family Search. So what I would like to do now is to show you how to address these exclamation points right here. And if you forget what these boxes mean, you can come over here to options. It's kind of hard to see because it's sitting on top of a name. Let me pull that down. But options right here, you can click on options and you can see, oh, okay, that little red box, that means there's a data problem. Now, when there's a data problem, what that can mean is that the child was born after the mother passed away or 20 years before the father was born, something like that. There's something in there that the computer is flagging and saying this information is not correct and it needs to be addressed. Now this is kind of an easy problem. I'm going to show you what this means. So here we see that exclamation point. I'm going to go ahead and click on Philetus and click on his person. And when I do that, it's going to bring me back to the page that we have talked about, the person's page. And on the right-hand side, my computer is slow today, I apologize. On the right-hand side here, under Record Help, we see this. And it says missing standardized death place. Now you'll see this one a lot, and it might say death place or it might say a date. The computer is very specific of how it wants information entered in. So there could be an extra space, there could be a comma. So whenever you see that, instead of trying to figure it out, you're just going to click on it, and this will tell me it does not have a standardized death place. And so I'm going to scroll down to his death information, and it's right here. So when I hover over it, as you see, it'll put lines underneath, and I can just click on it. When I do that, I come over here and it gives me the option of either editing it or just closing it out. And I want to edit because I want to fix the problem that the computer sees as a problem. I come down here and it's telling me that there is no standard selected. So like I said, the computer is very specific of how it wants information entered in. So I can just come here and click here to select a place. It's Cabell County, West Virginia. So I would just come right here and it's the first one listed. And I'm just going to click on that. And that standardized it. And so now I come down here further and I'm going to click Save. We can go in and explain why we needed to change this information. For us, it was just standardizing it, so I'm not going to bother putting in a big explanation. We were just correcting information that was already there, but just needed to be put in that a way that the computer can understand it. And so I'm just going to click Save. And now that has gone ahead and fixed that problem.